Well, good day, my ladies and my gents. A bit of story time today. I finished up with the old County Road Commission Dodge pickup truck, and I have a compressor trailer with it. I think I talked about it once before. That is from it's a limited edition run from VCG Resins. Josh put together a pretty cool little trailer there. It actually worked out pretty nice. So here's the story of the guys coming in from the mud. The guys have been out. They've been working hard. They've been out on County Road 9. It's been raining for 3 days. It is a dirt road, so we are now mud. The guys get a call. They've got their new jackhammer in, and as well as a new compressor trailer. So they've come in to get their new compressor trailer at the yard and to head back out to Route 9 to do some work out there. And well, boss wasn't too awful pleased with the shape of the truck because it is just a mud pit. But hey, the guys are out working in the mud. What are we going to do? You know, we come in, you tell us to come in, we get the trailer, we go back out, and now we get to go out there and play in the mud some more. So, the guys head back out. They go back out there and they're working back on Route 9 again, and it's just still mud. And by the time the guys get back in, their trailer is now just an absolute mud pit. But in all honesty, that trailer came out so pretty that I couldn't mess it up. I couldn't. I couldn't bear to do that to that really nice thing that Josh put together. But the story is, they come in, they get their trailer, they head back out. So that's what it is. Merry Christmas, y'all.